Every country has their own recipe for chicken soup, and here's my recipe for Jamaican Saturday soup. After you wash your chicken, season it up with some all-purpose and chicken seasoning. And then into a big pot of boiling water, go in with some garlic, onion, thyme, scallion, pimento berries, or leaves like me, and then 1 scotchy. Sieve it to get rid of the scum. Time to add in our hard food. Let's go in first with some carrots. Here I've got some Irish potato, some purple sweet potato or white flesh sweet potato. And lastly, some chocho or chayote. Bubble away until the hard food is cooked. So I've just gone in with some corn, and this is the best thing about chicken soup. You just go in with whatever you like. You make it to your own taste. And now time for the most important part of this whole damn thing, cock soup. I'm using 2 sachets because I'm making quite a lot of soup here, people. And now it's time to go in with some spinner dumplings, man. And if you want to learn how to do it, there's a recipe on my page. That is very good.